everybody, welcome to the Spirit Halloween 360 video. This is the first day that this particular store has been open for 2021. If you'd like to work for Spirit, they're always hiring. This year it is the Halloween Factory. It's really cool. If you missed the live stream, I've already walked through here. Let's first talk to the air raid, or see the air raid siren guy. Pretty cool. And as always, I'm using my Rode Wireless Go 2 to improve the audio. It is 72 days till Halloween. Got some Sif here. And I don't remember them doing this before, but there is some Spirit Halloween merchandise here this year. Probably have, I just haven't noticed it. This is cool. More stuff coming here soon. Got the old flickery bulbs. I'm not going to go through and show you like every little product, because that is what the live stream and my videos later on will be for. It's more of a walkthrough. And that is $179.99 if you can't see the price because of the extreme fisheye. H is for Halloween. I go backwards here because there's some people in the way over there. Maybe I'll lower it some. Trying to get over my head so you can see behind me. Like most of my jokes, they go over other people's head. And I want you to be able to see over mine. Apparently, state prison gives you a shot glass. Undercover operative. Oh, I mean, come on, it says SWAT right here. How is that undercover? Very furry jacket. A wolf vest. Some of those strange inflatable things. You can go as a balloon animal. I haven't seen that before. Banana, of course, ever popular. Dr. Greenweed. course, the makeup and prosthetics area, liquid latex. Played this guy before, but whoa. I don't think that joke was that funny, but and as I showed you in the live stream before, it's a baby doing a handstand, or it's a party baby. Raise the roof. Okay, I need that clown laughing again. I used to think the song was "There's Gonna Be a Party Tonight." Yeah, that's how much I wasn't paying attention to it. Some more makeup, some nails, other things. I don't know if those are considered appliances over here. Some stockings for whoever wants to wear them, men, women, hopefully not children. That might be weird. Venetian stuff. Slipknot. Ah, some generic shirts, meaning there's nothing printed on them. These are interesting, like the purple. $64.99 for that. Wigs over here, hats. I keep raising this all the way up. Oh, look at that, there's a Misfits mask. Interesting. That's pretty cool. Coming soon. Now remember, when I'm recording this is the very first day that this store has been open. So there's gonna be some gaps. It happens every year. Usually it's worse than this. But here's something cool this year. Again, coming soon. Stuff here, I think. Oh, look at the outlet that's overheating and starting a fire. I love the little details. This looks like a control panel for a attraction possibly, but check this out. If you stand there, you can be the employee of the month. Come in here. It's going to be a little tight space, but
Bad Halloween costumes make me crazy. They make me wanna pummel things with my hammer. Yes. I think I'm going crazy again.
okay, guy. Over here is something that reminds me of Toothsome Chocolate Emporium and Savory Feast Kitchen at the Universal Orlando Resort, soon in China as well. Looks like things are going wrong on this assembly line. Oh boy. Oh, looks like it's back up and running just fine. I don't know about shipping jack-o'-lanterns with flames in them. That might be ill-advised, but here, of course, is where someone turned this on again. Black lights and things are. I don't know if they still, I think, oh wow, they still sell the old incandescent bulbs. Never buy an incandescent black light. They don't work. It has to be LED or, I don't see any right now, or fluorescent. Although, I mean, if you're going to buy a new one, buy LED. Fluorescent is old technology. It's not nearly as efficient. but incandescent just doesn't have the wavelength of light that produces a very convincing and very effective black light. So always go with LED or fluorescent. Here's some Ouija board stuff. This, some wall art for $15, $14.99. Over here in its normal place is the Nightmare Before Christmas stuff. And there is some Hocus Pocus stuff around. It's not over here. Kids stuff, because, you know, I guess they can have some stuff too. Some tombstones. And it's not even pizza. This is very, very soft. This Sally is $24.99. This Jack, somewhere, also $24.99. Some Fortnite stuff. I remember when Fortnite was in, it's up here again, was being added a couple of years ago. I'm like, what's Fortnite? I'm too old. I know this is kind of a weird path I'm taking, but I'm guessing that a lot of this will be replaced, if not all of this will be replaced. This is a Plague Doctor, $26.99. Gas Mask Brown. So, oh, a drill. It actually works. That's a pretty good walkthrough of the newly opened Spirit Halloween here in Orlando near Fun Spot. You can actually look out the window and see Endless Summer Resort, which is the place I'm going to be staying starting tomorrow night. Well, as of this recording. I should have mentioned that in this live stream, but I didn't. Don't worry, you'll see the videos pretty soon. I also should have mentioned I'm going to be doing another waterlog, which I'm going to be swimming in every single Universal Hotel pool in one day. That will be on Sunday, because I'll have the whole day. Some keep out stuff. I'm getting a lot of social media. Actually, I think that might have been lightning. Yep, that was lightning. But we'll come back over to here one more time because it's really awesome. And if you haven't noticed, look up there and you'll see some skeletons hard at work. Some trick-or-treat stuff over here. And we gotta take a look at this one more time. I know I said I was wrapping up, but this is awesome. I mean, come on, look at this. This is awesome. I have nowhere to put this, but I want this whole thing in my home. Just the whole thing set up like this. But thanks for joining me today on this 360-degree walkthrough video of Spirit Halloween. Happy Halloween, everybody. Please like, please subscribe if you have not. I've been losing more subscribers lately and it's kind of frustrating, but please comment and please check out my other videos. Halloween Horror Nights videos will be coming very soon and streams as well. So again, thanks for watching and please exit through the spooky shop.